Hi, today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit a water splash using Picsart app. First, open Picsart and use a photo you want to blend with your current photo. You may edit the current overlaid photo and erase the backgrounds to blend it. Then, you may edit the opacity. After that, you may add another photo that you wanted to blend. This is the same process with editing another overlay. Crop the picture and then paste it to your current base or background. You may add another photo. You can search it to free images in Picsart. Search for water splash, and then you can use other images that you want to insert. Water splash image makes your photo like realistic and just like a legit Photoshop. The same with the editing process. You may click on blend and the opacity of the picture to make it real. Then, add on stickers or search on stickers that you wanted to add. Choose vignette to make it more like underwater. Click on eraser for the backgrounds that needed to erase. Then, finally, this is your final Photoshop using Picsart application. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.